G-Body. 5-point slow. $45 for that. Another G-Body. Oh shit. What we got for this? No price. No price. We got 5,800. G-Body. What do they want for this? 13.5. Oh shit, we got 60 vert. I got back that Ford and COE right there. I don't think it's for sale. I don't see a sign on it. But just chilling with the boys. Oh, there we go. 61 bubble top. Good. Good. What's that missing? What's that missing? Got those holes in it. Mirror used to be right there. Move the mirrors on?
Yeah. One time I seen that, I was like, have a little siphon. Don't go face, I'm gonna tap it. Oh, you know what? It was at the show yesterday.
11.5 Chevelle 69 350 V8.
That's what made me remind
Number 62.
Yeah, like it was clean. Fuck, it was.
67 Paula and a COE. God damn, son. $75,000 for the COE transporter. 75 G's is a little strong though. $24,500 for 57. They want this $34,500 for that. $36,500. You guys gotta stop telling people the cars are nice, but they're jacking these prices are like crazy. $10K for this one. 79. Let's see what's going on with these. This white one here is going to be, I don't see it. I'm not seeing a price. $21,500 for this 40. And $19,500 for this 51 panel.
5 guys were there.
Somebody's gonna have to sell it when I ain't here.
They were legit.
Yeah. Well, I think they said, right? You scared me.
El Camino, was he want? 16.5. C10, 6,600.
Hey, I got that impression when I
What was that? What was this Chevelle? 29.5. 70 Chevelle. C10 gonna go for 32.
Thank you so much.
This car got too many doors for my taste. What do I want? Is there a price on this thing? I don't see a price. Too much shit there. Homeboy here wants a 64. I don't see no price on there. What we got over here? Got this Camaro. I can't see the price. Too much writing on there. Too much writing on there. I can't read all that shit. 421.
Excuse me, sir.
95 home, you take this home right now. Grab wheel, chill, and home. Tank sleeps on a hand. What we got for this caddy? Oh, man. This is only one like 120 for this thing, I think. Last time I looked, it was 120. Oh, my fault. It wants 150 for it. Oh, look. That engraving on there. Ooh. Okay, for the specials over here. Oh shit, we got 58 right there, son. $15,000 for this 48. 13, 54, Ford F100. He wants. We got a 5-point slow in there, and I don't see a price. He's coming in hot. Look at this. Studebaker, very rare, 12,000 for a very rare Studebaker. That's a steal if it's very rare. And these guys park their cars ass backwards. We come in with strong hand. What we got? I can't see the price. What's he want? 37.5 or something for it? We get the windshield wiper over the price. Oh shit, 25K right here. Good Lord. What we got on this one? 15.9. Cash only, son. You don't got that cash, don't even call. 20,000. 350 crate. What's for this caddy? No price on the caddy. Oh, that's a nice truck right here. With a 55 GMC on billets. Man, I don't know why he parks it this way. Because he won't. There's no price on there. See if we're sitting on a seat. God damn, this thing's nice. Got that zebra seat. I don't know if those are billets. Ooh, 55 up here. Nice, I like the color of it. Those wheels. Ooh.
Little stretch.
65.
These are my brothers, Sam and Danny here. Grew up with these guys.
57 Nomad 105. God damn. Run right in me. Thank you.